All right. Hi, guys. I am just making this quick video on something we didn't get to finish in class, and I want you to take advantage of the block you have during fall growth assessments. Well, the math one, since you're not taking it, and you're going to knock this out for us. All right. So we are looking at scenarios and then translating them to a graph. All right. So with these, the first thing I want to do is I want to find my values from my scenario. All right, so Lulu has $5 in her piggy bank, right? And she saves $2 each week. All right, so for this, my M, or the slope, is going to be 2. And my B, my y-intercept, is going to be 5. All right, and then I'm going to write that as an equation. So we get y equals 2x plus 5. Right? And then I'm going to plot those points on my graph. So also I think it might help if I make a table too. So let's do x, y, and then let's go here. All right, so when x is 1, so 2 times 1 is 2 plus 5, that's 7. 2 times 2 is 4 plus 5 is 9. And then 3 times 2 is 6 plus 5, that's 11. And then 4 times 2 is 8 plus 5 is 13. All right, so for this, I am going to start, let's see. All right, so I just labeled mine to make it a bit easier for me. All right, so I am going to start here because this is when x is 0, because she started with 5. And then I'm going over 2, up 1. So boom, 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 boom. All right. Just have one right here, and right here. Actually, I can make that look a little bit better. Oh, that looks terrible. All right, it was honestly fun the way it was. All right, so now I can draw my line through. All right, and then I'm gonna get rid of the staircase. Well, it was more slope triangle, but so your graph should look like this. All right. Now, for number 8, we're doing the same thing. I want you to try this on your own, but I'm going to just help you get started. So, M is going to be negative 15 because it's descending at a rate of 15 feet per second. And my B is going to be 120. Let me draw a better 5. Still not good, but so and then equation is going to be y equals negative 15x plus 120. All right, and for this one, you're probably going to have to do your scale like a little bit differently. So I would start here at the top with like 120. And then, I don't know, I'd probably decrease by, 15 each time? Or, I don't know, whatever you want to choose. I probably wouldn't increment by 1 because it might be, you might not really get a better picture, I'd probably go by 10s or 5s or something like that on like my scale. So that'll be on Schoology. You should be able to do this one. Just double check your answers. All right. So if I have, well, let's say I have these two lines, right? So let's start with number 9. Y equals 5. If I have a line that is y equals 5, what does that look like? So I'm 5 all the time. That's just going to be a horizontal line. I could use one that's a bit thicker. So that's just going to be a horizontal line at y equals 5, right? But then let's say I'm x equals 2. If y equals 5 was a horizontal line at y equals 5, always 5, never changing, what do you think x equals negative 2 is going to be? That's right. Just x equals negative 2 all the way. So we're always x equals negative 2. Right. So that should clear this up for you. Remember, this one right here will be on Schoology, so just check the key. I want you to try to do it on your own, and then you can check it to make sure your answers are correct. All right, I will see you later.